Hello everybody, Kyle Match is back again, and today I've got something really good. I got it really early today at Walmart in Brownsburg, Indiana. So if you guys are going to be, if any of you guys watching my channel are going to be around Brownsburg, pick one up. They had, you probably heard of the Red vs. Blue Thomas, Philip, and Royal Spencer in the Trackmaster range. Well, I did not get Red vs. Blue Thomas. I did not get Royal Spencer yet, but who else did I get? I want you to guess. Got this guy. Trackmaster Philip. The little box cab diesel. Very excited to get him. I'm going to be unboxing him right now. So here we go. And there we are with Philip. There's Philip, there's his car, and his other car. Here we go. We're going to be setting Philip onto the track. So, there's his car there. Here's his other car. And here's the star himself, Philip. So I'm going to give you guys a good look at him. No painted buffers and no painted coupling hook, but I could easily remedy that. Really good detail, the silver detail along his tanks, his brake tanks I think maybe. Has his 68 number on his side. His back, I love his back. He has a painted back up light there, but no buffers painted on the buffer beam. So then it's all the same as on the other side. Okay, now we're ready for the first truck, the Blue Mountain Quarry wagon. As you can probably see, I'm going to move it closer to the camera. You can see it's kind of worn a little bit. You know, it's been banged around and shunted hard and all that. It looks good. It just may need a little bit of weathering. I'm going to modify these freight cars with hook and chain couplers like I normally do, so that there will be a regular thing on YouTube for me. Let's go to his other freight car here. Let's pull it out of the Nutford station. A Blue Mountain Quarry truck. I have it right there so you can see it all. A Blue Mountain Quarry truck with crates. And I'm going to modify this as well with the black lining on the car. You can see I'm going to paint that black like that there. I'm going to do the black lining on there. Give it hook and chain couplers. And so, yeah, it's the same all the way around. Luckily. Now we're going to be going back to the packaging a little bit. As you could probably see, probably in the light a little bit, this here has this kind of silver glow. I kind of like that silver sheen on there. I do like that. That's a good thing about the packaging, the newer packaging. Now let's read the box description. I'm going to read the box here. Meet Philip, an enthusiastic and energetic diesel box cab, who is always eager to help. Featuring 2 cargo cars with removable cargo, this Philip motorized engine is the perfect addition to your Thomas & Friends collection. Flip the switch and watch him race along a very exciting delivery. And that's what we're going to get ready to do. We're going to do his first run today, and we're also going to have Diesel on the line today, because I got him too today in 2014. I got him just today. So, sorry Philip. So I've got Diesel today as well. He's fitted with a battery. Very quiet. So yeah. But first we're going to detail him up, and I'll be right back. Okay everybody, here goes Philip. Here comes Diesel. So there goes Philip up the line. And we're going to pick up with Diesel. So there's Diesel over there. And you go up Gordon's Hill. And then down Gordon's Hill. Can Philip make a run a tight bend? Yes, he can. Thanks for watching, everybody. Leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you.